I'm going to turn clear slime into this sand slime. So let's make clear slime. It's a little sticky, so the sand will make it less sticky. I'm using Build-A-Bean. I'm going to put it on it. Get to mix it. And now it's all done. I'll add my old one to it.